Hi, I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to bring alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you are looking for more candlestick patterns, then this is not the place for you. But if you're ready to start trading like a professional, then stick around. So today we did something a little different. I've been experimenting with the different baskets of ETFs, and I don't mean the components of ETFs, I mean the ETFs themselves. I've run about 6 or 7 different groupings, and this is the one of industrials. So these are all ETFs having to do with different industrials. The thing is with ETFs, much like utilities, is that they are so tightly wired together that you rarely see much of a diversion. So you don't get as much expectation value, but on the other hand, they're very safe. It's more of an arbitrage, in fact, than trading. So in any case, with this basket, I ran it with no filters set, but let's go ahead and run some filters. We're going to put it for 0.8 correlation, 0.0 RW coefficient. When we do that, take a look at these numbers here. These things are, like I said, 0.9997 and 0.9981. So crazy strong wired together kind of products. But let's set this for 4 winners and 1.03. Normally we do 5% up and down. We're just going to do 3% up and down. And when we do that, we get 1. Just exactly 1. And as a matter of fact, if you try to set this expectation value for try to get 4%, there's nothing there. If you try to set this for 5, there's nothing there. So let's take a look at the 1 that popped up when we did that. When we do, we see a pretty good picture. Now, the thing is, it crossed outside the second standard deviation some time ago, but it went even further out. It started coming back, but today it had a jump back up, which I think might give us enough edge to get back in it. Had it had a similar move back down, I think it would have been too far gone, basically come back. I wish we would have found it a few days ago. But in any case, it did have a move back up, so perhaps it's time we've got enough edge again on this to get back into it. It does have a perfect track record. It's been outside the second standard deviation 5 times. It's returned profitably 4. The 5th is the one we were just discussing that we would like to make some money off of. So I have added it to the observe page already, and everything looks good here. You see the trend indicators is already showing that it's moving down nicely, and we see that the most recent bar is actually a move back away from the mean. So let's maybe try to take advantage of that and get in and make a little money. Let's go take a look at the hitting probabilities. Yeah, so the mean reversion is very clearly indicated here. And when we ran the Monte Carlo simulation, it's saying that we're going to be below that number 92% of the time. That's solid, right? There's nothing wrong with that. And it's at a target price of 0.75. I think 0.75 is a little strong. But at 0.75, it says 50% of the time in 39 bars, the mode being 24. Let's do something and let's kick this up to 3. And run it again. See, at 3, which I think if we go back and look at that chart, we're going to see this is closer to an expectation value that we might be, a target number that we might be looking for. And that says half the time in 22 bars, and the mode being 13, which is way acceptable. So in any case, I like these. Everything looks good here. Let's make this the recommendation. Let's go back to the detail analysis page. The picture is very good. It's IYJ versus XTN. The ratio we're going to trade is 2.35. It has a correlation of 0.975, RW coefficient 0.834. It has a perfect track record, 4 times return to the mean after being outside 5 times, and the 5th one is the one that's still open. So today's recommendation, IYJ minus 2.35 of XTN. It is a short, so for every share of IYJ that you sell, you're going to buy 2.35 shares of XTN. Good luck with your trading.